back to Nettie's Recipe Bowl. Today we're going to make pumpkin whoopie pies. Be sure to watch to the end for all the tips and tricks so that your pumpkin whoopie pies are soft and fluffy and full of fall flavor.
Okay, let's get started. First, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then in a medium bowl, we're going to whisk together 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 2 teaspoons of freshly ground nutmeg, or you could use ground nutmeg already in a can. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Next, in the bowl of a stand mixer with a paddle attachment, we're going to add 2 cups of packed brown sugar, 1 cup of oil, 2 large eggs at room temperature, and we're going to add that all together and we're going to mix it for all 2 to 3 minutes until everything's good and incorporated. Then we're going to add 1 can of pumpkin puree. You want to make sure you use the pumpkin puree and not the pumpkin pie filling. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of sour cream. And the sour cream is going to help our pumpkin whoopie pies stay very moist. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients that we had set aside. And we're going to add half at a time. Add half and let it mix till it's incorporated. And scrape your bowl down frequently so you can get all the bits off the bottom. Now that our batter is ready, we're going to use a cookie scoop or an ice cream scoop to scoop the whoopie pies onto a parchment-lined baking sheet and space them out a little bit because they will spread slightly during baking. Now we're going to pop those in our 350 degree preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes. An easy way to make sure your whoopie pie is perfectly baked is press down on them when they're in the oven, and if they spring back, that's a perfectly baked whoopie pie. Now we're going to make the filling. We're going to add a 1/2 cup of softened butter and 1/8 ounce package of softened cream cheese, and we're going to beat that until it's well combined and creamy. Gradually add the sifted sugar 1 cup at a time, beating well after each addition, and keep mixing for several minutes until the filling is light, fluffy, and irresistible. And add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Now take your prepared filling and put it in a pastry bag. And I just cut the tip right off, just like that. And then just fill your whoopie pies. You can easily use a knife or an offset spatula to do this too. Now once all your whoopie pies are filled, you're going to take the other half and place on top. Just like that, pressing down gently. And there you have it, pumpkin whoopie pies.
They're so good.